The Kyo Mizudera Temple is also known as the Temple of the Pure Water Spring because it is built near the Otoa Spring, which many believe to have healing properties. The temple was founded in 778 CE. According to Enshin Shonin, a Buddhist priest, he received a vision to build a new temple in the spring. The site grew in 798 CE, after Emperor Kamu moved his capital from Nara to Heian-kyo, as a large hall was moved from his old palace and reassembled on the temple grounds. The temple grew in power and popularity. Today, it is most famous for its viewing platform. The main hall perches on a steep cliff and is built using traditional Japanese construction, so there are no nails. The middle portion is open for people to walk through, and the sanctuaries contain paintings and religious texts. Because the building used to be part of the imperial palace, it used shingle roofing instead of tile. However, the most impressive part of the main hall is the kiyomizu stage, which is a viewing platform today. It stands about 40 feet high and is built with the same traditional techniques.